Welcome back to my channel. For today we have Hijab Friday. Today I have a turban. It's not a hijab, I know, but I got a lot of questions to do a tutorial on this turban, which is really simple. I don't know if it looks simple. I think it looks simple, and it is really simple. Let me know if you want to see some kind of style. Let me know everything you want to see. That was a really fake laugh. No, it was real, but it sounded really fake, but it was real. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Hope this is helpful, and let's jump right into the tutorial. Every day I struggle with that sentence, and I don't know what's up. But let's jump right into the tutorial. Yeah. So the scarf that I'm using is a jersey scarf from Hijab and Stuff. We'll make sure to put it in the description box. And what I do first, by the way, this cap, I think you can buy this everywhere where they sell hijab scarves. I have bought these in, yeah, I don't actually remember where I got them. I always buy them everywhere where I can also buy scarves, just in stores. So I fold it one time like this. And then oh, sorry for my lightning. Oh. I'm going to bring it to the back, like this. I'm going to do this. So tie it one time, like this. Then you have these two pieces. I'm going to bring them together and start twisting it. And then I twist it around my bun. It's kind of hard for me to do this without seeing anything. So I don't know if this is going to turn out nice. And then every time turns out different, so okay. I want to make it a little bit more big, so what I do then, I put this little piece in this, underneath it, like this. And now I always put it a little bit to the back, like this. I'm just going to pull a little so that it will get a little bit more volume. And now I used a jersey scarf, so now my bun, this bun, is a little bit more tiny. But you can also use a scarf that is like thicker. Then the bun is also bigger. But now I'm going to look in the mirror because I cannot see my back. Yeah, that's good. So then you have this. Hope this was helpful. I got a lot of questions for this, but it's actually really simple. That's it for Hijab Friday. It's not a hijab, but I know, by the way, I know that this is not a hijab, but I thought I will just, for Hijab Friday, do all kind of styles with hijabs and do turbans and all things with scarves. Because I also got a lot of questions to do a tutorial on this. Now, thank you guys for watching. Have a nice weekend, and I will see you guys Monday.